Okay, so this video is going to show you how to create a Canvas homepage with icons and hyperlinks. So what are the essentials of a Canvas homepage? You'll first want to include a course welcome message that's short, friendly, an introduction that sets a tone. You'll want to include a course overview, which is just a brief summary of what the course covers and learning goals and objectives. Instructor information, so your name, photo, contact information, and then navigation to key areas. So you can include quick links to syllabus, modules, discussions, assignments, what have you, instructions. So what your students should do first whenever they get into your course, whether that's read the syllabus, complete the first module, post an introduction, etc. All in all, you'll want to make sure that your homepage is visually appealing, using some headings, icons, and buttons and banners to organize, and just add your own personality to it and keep it clean and accessible. So as you can see here, this is my homepage for the sandbox. So the first step is to go to your Canvas page, which we're currently in. You'll go to your dashboard and you'll select the course that you want to modify the homepage for. So we're going to go ahead and select this course. And then to set up your homepage, if you haven't already done so, in the course menu, you're going to go ahead and click Pages. You're going to select View All Pages, and then you're going to click the plus sign right here to create a new page. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and title the page. Let's title it Welcome Homepage. And then in your text box here, and then you can go ahead and use the rich content editor to go ahead and insert images. So I like to use Flaticon, which is spelled right here, FLATICON.com. And there's just a bunch of icons and stickers that I can go ahead and copy and paste and input into my Canvas page. So the first icon that I'm going to go ahead and use is a start icon. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. And then I'm just going to click copy. And then I'm going to go to my text box in Canvas and I'm going to go ahead and click paste. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and reformat this to the size that you want it to be. You can use the content editor to align it. I'm going to go ahead and insert two more icons. So one for discussion boards and one for assignments. So let's just type in discussion and see what comes up. As you can see, there's a bunch of options available. So let's go ahead with this one. And we're going to click copy. We're going to go here and we're going to paste it. Okay, so I've got my three icons here. I'm going to go ahead and insert my introduction. So let's see here. There we have it. So I'm going to insert my introduction here. Okay, and I also want to add a photo. So to insert a photo, we're going to go here to Photos, Images. We're going to go to Upload Image. We're going to click in this box here. And we're going to go to our photos. We're going to go here, Submit. And we've got a photo. So just to reformat this, a little smaller. I want to left align it. Okay. So I want to make sure everything's uniform. I've got my photo listed here. I've got a quick introduction about the course, what we'll be covering, some instructions for first steps for students to access the syllabus, module 1, my contact information, start. I got a couple icons, discussion board. I've got an assignments icon as well. So I want to go ahead and insert some navigation tool. And then I'm going to select the image and I'm going to go to hyperlink and I want to insert a course link. So for start, for this picture, I want students to go to modules. So we're going to go ahead and select modules here. We're going to bring them to week 1. Okay. For this one right here, which is discussion board, we're going to go here, insert a hyperlink. the course link, and we're going to bring them to our discussion board 1. For here, assignments, go here, course link, make sure you click on the image. We're going to go to assignments, and we're going to go to week 1 assignment. Okay, so we've added some navigation tools. I'm just reformatting a couple things here to make sure everything is clean. I'm going to bring this down here. Okay, and once I like how everything is listed on my page, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and view the page, right? So this is what it looks like. Okay, things look good. I'm happy with what it looks like. From there, if I want to set the page as a course homepage, I'm going to select the page that I just created, which is here. I'm going to go ahead and select these 3 dots. I'm going to make sure to publish it. And I'm going to use this page as my front page. Okay. And there it is. And then once again, if I want to view it as a student, I can go ahead and click this icon here where it says View as Student. And this will allow me to make sure that everything looks correct. I like the way it's formatted and it's laid out. I can double check to make sure that the hyperlinks are working and they're active. Fantastic. Okay, and that is how you create a homepage with icons and hyperlinks in Canvas.